G'day everybody, it's Hunter. I realised the other day that I've never actually explained what recovery um, recovery equipment I use. I've never actually talked about it. So I'm going to do a quick little video of a rundown of this Mean Mother recovery kit. Bought it 5 years ago. I haven't really used much of it. I haven't really had to be pulled out or haven't really had to pull people out yet. But it's one of those things, better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it. So this is the bag itself. It has side pockets in here and in here. I haven't got anything at them. I haven't got anything on them at the moment. Comes with a nice big heavy duty strap on it. Comes with 2 carry handles as well. Has a front pocket and then a main compartment. So I'll show you what comes in the kit and what doesn't. So this doesn't come with the kit, but this is what I keep in it. So I keep a rough country tyre gauge. So I'll just make sure I keep this, so then that way I can let my tyres out, obviously. These are pretty accurate, and then I also have some spare valves in case I need them. What else is in here? Just instructions on how to do it. So I just keep this inside the kit. I usually also keep, normally I keep a set of center punches, like big heavy duty ones, because my toe bore on my car is incredibly tight. I have sanded it and try and sort of take at the edge back, but it's still really tight. So I have to usually have a mallet and a center punch to punch out the back. So you can tell that I've never used it, I haven't even opened the gloves. So these are heavy duty leather gloves. And they're just standard gloves. You've got your, I think these are the extension straps, I reckon, because it comes with one set of extension, and then it comes, yeah, so they're the extensions. That's your main recovery strap. I'm pretty sure they're rated. Can't remember what the rating is for them, it's been that long. But yeah, it comes with your snap strap. It comes with, actually no, this might be the tree trunk protector. I reckon that's the extension strap there. No, that's the T-trunk. See, it's been that long, I haven't even opened it and had a look in years. Yeah, so this is the tree trunk protector, so then that way you can wrap it around the side base of a heavy tree to pull yourself out, or you can even use these on car tyres to bury the car spare tyre in the sand, pull them out of the sand. That's the extension snap strap. That's your snap strap. Ignore the washing machine. You get a recovery tow hitch. This I bought as well, a soft shackle. I prefer using soft shackles over bow shackles. They hold a lot more weight. They're safer because when these come flying at you, they're not gonna. They might give you a severe headache, but they might not kill you or break your window. Comes with 2 bow shackles as well. These are heavy duty ones. I can't remember the rating of them. 5-ton rating. Then that way you can pull from your toe board the base, but these don't fit mine anyway. So comes with a whole heap of instructions, kits, all that sort of stuff. Then you've got this here, which is your. Sorry, I'm just trying to do everything. I don't have a bipod. I need to get one. This is obviously your. What do they call them again? I can't remember what they're called again. Basically, you put a rope through it, and then you can pretty much pull yourself out in different directions. So, for example, you want to come out there, and you've got a tree over there. You can rig this in a way so then that way you can use that tree to your right to pull yourself forward, or pull yourself in different directions, or use it to keep yourself straight so you don't turn and fall over sideways. It's a pretty good kit. It didn't cost that much at the time. Of course, this is way before COVID, so I'd imagine they've gone up more in price. But highly recommend this kit. The bag's very versatile. I keep lots of different other components normally with it when I go out, but this is just what I keep with it, except minus the the center punches. And the center punch is like that thick. Just, so that way I can punch out my toe hitch to put that on. But yeah, I've never used it, luckily. But in the future, you know, I might need to use it. But I've got it. So this is my recovery kit when I need it. Hope you have a good day and night depending around the world. And hope this was somewhat informative. Alright, catch ya.